One of my favorite bookstores. Looks like it's gonna rain. That's Tokyo Tower. It lights up at night. And this is where they have events. This is where we had the Bon Dance. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Greetings from Roppongi. I am standing in front of the Mori Tower in Roppongi Hills. We just had a meeting here and we finished, and I thought we'd take a walk around this area. I haven't really shown you guys the Roppongi area much. I do have to say that it's a very windy day. There is a typhoon here. However, right now it's not raining that much. That's a good sign. And yeah, haven't been to Roppongi in a while. Ne, Satoshi-san.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Roppongi.
Welcome to Roppongi. 何人かな?
Roppongi.
はい、今日はちょっと六本木ヒルズのあっちとあとミッドタウンまで歩こうと思っています。
Oh, it's long way.
It's not the long way. Or did you say the wrong way? Okay, so first things first. So this is a complex. It's an office building complex with shops and restaurants and also a movie theater here. And they also have the Mori Arts Center gallery here. And if you go in here, not only can you see the artwork, but you can actually go up this tower here and get a nice view of Roppongi as well. Yeah, let's begin this walk. What kind of movies are they playing today? Bullet Train, One Piece film, Jurassic World, Japanese movies. Okay, and here is the map of this area. This place is kind of like a maze. Oh, flickering, sorry. This place is kind of like a maze, and it does take getting used to. It's very easy to get lost in this area. If you go straight down here, not only will you see shops, but you also get to the Hyatt Regency Hotel. This is a nice restaurant. Sorry.
Hyatt Regency.
Not Hyatt Regency? Was it?
Grand Hyatt.
Grand Hyatt. Sorry, the Grand Hyatt Hotel. So confusing. L'Atelier du Jour Robuchon is a French restaurant here. It's pricey, but for lunch it's not too bad. This is one of my favorite stores to browse to. They have some really nice things inside here. Like these flowers. Check out these flowers. It's by a designer called Nikolai Bergman. And these are all real. These are made with how do you say, like, they're like dried? Not dried. Preserved. They're preserved flowers. Very beautiful. Let's go down here. This is probably so right here is an arena. This arena is between this building here and TV Asahi building, and they have events here. They used to have Bon Dance here during the summertime, but since the pandemic I haven't seen a Bon Dance happen. Not here, at least. There's also a really nice park. Let me show you quickly what this area looks like. See, this is the little arena here, or courtyard, and this is where they have events. This is where we had the Bon Dance. Right next to it, there's a really lovely Japanese garden right over there. And then here are shops. See, check out this complex. You see how like maze-like it is? Okay. Hi, ikimasu. Okay, let's go this way. Roppongi is a very expensive area to live in. These are some of the residential condominiums in the area, and it's very expensive. I don't know how much they are, but I know they're like out of my range for sure. And there are two of these buildings here. That's another very expensive condominium. We'll be walking to another area of Roppongi after this. But we're walking this way because I want to show you the view from here. Oh, thank you. Looks like it's gonna rain. Right behind this building is the Grand Hyatt. This is the main street of this street. I don't know what the street is called, but you have a really perfect view of Tokyo Tower there, right in front of us. That's Tokyo Tower. It lights up at night. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Could we go down from there? Maybe. But once we get down there, you'll see that this is a pretty like high-end place to live in. Here's a place where you can buy wines, some really good wines actually. Enoteka. There's a nice bistro here on the side. And these are the expensive apartments. いくらぐらいするんだろうね。
I don't know.
You don't know?
Exactly, but it's rumor.
うん。
1,000.
1000円。いくら
100万円。
100万円。A million yen. 1 million yen per month. More than 1 million. So that would be over 10,000 US dollars. Yeah, quite expensive. Very expensive. Would you guys want to live here? Would you want to live here?
No.
No. Me neither. It's a bit too expensive for my taste. Okay, we're gonna go down to the ground floor. How about you guys? Would you want to live here? Would you pay 10,000 US dollars per month or more to live in this high-end area? Wow. Sounds like we're in Nogata. The siren. You hear them everywhere.
We are surrounded by sirens.
We're surrounded by sirens. Okay. Oh, we're on ground level. I have to say though, this street is really beautiful. Although there are no shops I can actually enter and buy something. There's Burberry, there's Moncler, Tiffany is down there, Kate Spade is on the other side. This is a Louis Vuitton shop. This is a Mini Cooper shop. As you can see, the streets are very wide and it's really nice and pleasant. It's tree lined. Of course, you don't see many people walking because they're not crazy. It's inclement weather today. So this area will be the Roppongi Hills area. Let's look back at Roppongi Hills. That is the building. We were up there about 30 minutes ago. And once again, there are really nice restaurants in the Roppongi Hills building and a lot of nice shops as well. Once again, they are high-end. For those of you watching, how many of you guys are into brand name goods? Hey look, the shops here are gone. All the shops here. You remember there used to be Jotaro Saito here. Yeah, a nice kimono shop. It's no longer here. Oh, that's a shame. There's one shop I actually liked going into. They had some nice designer kimonos. They were expensive, but they were also very nice and modern. Giorgio Armani. There is one place that I do sometimes come to, and it's at the end of this road. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's not raining. I'm so happy it's not raining.
That's right. Has
Yeah.
gone.
Has gone? Is it going to come back, the rain, or no more rain today?
Maybe no more rain.
Really? Okay, let's believe you, the weather
And
reporter.
the temperature will drop.
The temperature will drop. Really?
Yeah,
Okay,
become cold today.
Oh, I see, I see. Good thing I'm wearing a jacket today. Okay, so we have come to the end of this street. And this is a place that I do come to visit because it's nice. It's Staya Bookstore. So it's a bookstore, but Starbucks is also in it. And because it's raining, you don't see it right now, but all this area is outdoor seating here. I love sitting here enjoying my decaf. It's very, very pleasant. Oh, it started to rain.
I said wrong.
No, it's maybe it's not. Maybe that was a tree.
Oh,
I think that was a tree. Okay, I'll take off my mask. Nobody around me, I think. We're gonna cross the street here. But here, take a look. This is one of my favorite bookstores in the city. It's Style Bookstore, just because they have a really nice big patio area to enjoy your coffee. Look at the expensive housing here. Roppongi is expensive to start with anyway. So we are walking to the other part of Roppongi that I enjoy. We're taking one of the back streets here. This is actually a shortcut. I don't know what the name of this street is, but it's 450 meters to the subway and 440 meters to subway this side, Azabujuban. Hmm? どうだろうね、わからない。Yeah, I...
六本木。
うん。
なんだろうね、ドラえもん通り。
ドラえもん通り、違う違う。Right now they're having Roppongi Art, Roppongi Art Festival. Yeah, which is why you see at the Doraemon. But there are many interesting looking restaurants in this area. Which is I like this street. This is a gastro pub and sports bar. The interior's pretty funky. Yeah. Yeah.
What's a public six mean?
What's public six?
Yeah.
I don't know. Look at this building here. Maybe nobody lives here, huh? It's closed. The windows are, yeah, they've been taken over by Mother Nature. Huh. Yeah.
Covered with board.
Yeah. Even this one, the first floor is empty here, but looks like people are living in this building still. Oh, wind is starting to come out again. Oh, here's a better view of the Mori building from here. That's the Mori building. When I was younger, like in my 20s, I used to come here sometimes. I enjoyed it because this is like the nightlife place. So yeah, I came here a few times.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right, we came. Oh, they still have it. This is a restaurant called Raw, and you can get vegan raw food here. It was actually quite nice. Yeah, how that was like so long ago. Maybe like 10 years ago?
そんなに昔じゃないと思う。
嘘本当もう YouTube やってた
やってたよ。
嘘 Okay, maybe not 10 years ago, maybe 6 years ago? Is this a Chinese restaurant? 何これ鍋 Oh, it's like a mushroom nabe. It looks Chinese to me. Maybe not. You think it's Chinese? What's this here? It's a theater. Oh, it is a theater. Interesting. It's a mini theater. You know, this area, as you can see, is quite quiet at the moment because this area is more like a nightlife place, like I said. So most places don't open in the middle of the day. You do have to come here at nighttime. Having said that, I have to say that Roppongi used to be more active, more busy, more popular back in the day. These days, not so much. Okay, come a couple more blocks down. We are at the main road, and then I'll show you why we're going this way. Probably my favorite place in all of Roppongi. That's where we're headed to. Even this here, there's nothing here. Is this building closing? There's a new burger shop there called the Burger Revolution, using Wagyu beef. It says if you come on the 29th and 30th of each month, the Kobe beef burger is 50% off. 50%オフ。え？そうだね、肉。そうだね。Here's a local shrine. Asahi Jinja.
Right.
It's a steakhouse. I don't know. Empire Steakhouse. I've never heard of it before. Oh, so here's a little story for you guys. Once upon a time, my uncle and my dad used to have a bar there. Yeah.
Really?
Yes, right there. We even had a party there for our English students when we had the English school. And the club was called Club Dick. Yeah, don't ask me why it was called that. But it was called Club Dick. And
Don't think too much.
yeah, don't think too much of it. That's where it was. And I used to come here sometimes. Because this place has a lot of expats, there are things like here, like this place where you can get falafel. This is Falafel Brothers. You can get vegan burgers here. So there are things like this, and there's what is that, Outback Steakhouse you can find over there. Okay, this way. Okay, this one's for rent. This was another like falafel restaurant, but that's closed. Okay. Yeah, so this is all nightlife area. Temple. Is this a temple? Looks like a temple. へえ、ちゃんとしたお寺？ちゃんとしたお寺っていうか。へえ、そうなんだ。I'm just noticing, you know, we haven't been here in a very long time. I noticed a lot of the shops are no longer in business, like on the first floor. Yeah, before, I mean, this is prime real estate here. Yeah, so yeah, that's prime real estate. So I'm quite surprised. Okay, this is one of the main streets of Roppongi, and you got a nice view of Tokyo Tower there in the distance. Over there, you can see, and there's a Tony Roma's there, as well as a Hard Rock Cafe. Uh-oh, is it raining? Is it starting to rain? No.
Did I say wrong?
I don't know. Okay, we're just like, oh, it is starting to rain. Thank you, arigato. Satoshi is being a very nice gentleman. He's holding the umbrella for me. Arigato gozaimasu.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Not pleasure.
Not pleasure. No, that's very kind of you. Okay, so we are walking towards Midtown, and that is my favorite place in Roppongi. We're actually walking the heart of the nightlife area. The nightlife area is like all the way down there as well. There used to be a lot of discos in the area.
Disco.
Discos.
What is disco?
What is disco? Yeah, so all the discos used to be here. Many of the discos. And I used to frequent some of them back in the day. You can kind of tell how old I am. This is a famous Roppongi Kosaten. And Yeah, oh, this way. Here's one more look at the main street of Roppongi. Doesn't really look like much during the day. Oh. Okay, rain is starting to come down for sure. Oh. Okay. So we're walking, so we crossed the street and we are walking towards Midtown. This area has a lot of memories for me. Somewhere in this street or the street next to it, maybe it's that street over there, my dad used to take me to this yakitori place. This was when I was 15, 16 years old, and it was amazing. It was amazing. And this building here used to be a hotel, and this is where we used to stay at when we came to Tokyo. So this place has some memories for me. Although, like now, completely different shops in this building. It's no longer a hotel either. I wonder if the yakitori shop is still open. Oh, it's becoming windy. Like I said, you know, there's a typhoon here and it's just passing over Tokyo. Well, it just passed, so maybe we're getting like the tail end of the typhoon, but it's super windy right now. We have arrived. Let me just cross the street. So here's a subway station. From here, it really doesn't look like much. It just looks like a modern building complex. But it's a very nice addition to Roppongi. I was so happy when it was first built. It completely changed the whole area, but in a good way, I think. It's windy right now, so you don't really see much, but all here is outdoor seating, so a lot of bistros and restaurants. You can eat good food and, you know, just chill. On the corner is a Starbucks with open seating as well. Obviously not today. Come here, my umbrella. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a Starbucks Reserve. I didn't know that. So this is a part of the Midtown complex. A lot of the shops are inside here, and most of them are in the building right in front of us. The top floor of this building is the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. It's a very beautiful hotel. The good thing about this weather is that we're finally getting some much needed respite from the heat. This summer was long, man. It was a long summer. Wow. You guys hear the crows? This is a great place for a nice light brunch here. Le pain quotidien. Yeah. This kind of gives you an idea of what you can find in the area. The Galleria includes shops and restaurants, the Garden Terrace, Suntory Museum of Art, Billboard Live. The plaza includes the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, shops and restaurants, the Hall, shops and restaurants. 2121 is a museum. And then there's the Midtown Garden. And that's where we're going to end the video, the garden. Look at this here. This is all outdoor seating, but yeah, understandable they did this because a typhoon just flew by. This is a map of the whole area. It's quite a large complex. And here, if you have money to burn, the park residences at the Ritz-Carlton is where you want to be. I have no idea how much that would be. Hey, looking back, at the courtyard area. It's nice. It's nice because you have a roof over your head. You don't have to use the umbrella anymore. Here's the entrance to the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. It's kind of hidden away. And this is the entrance to the Galleria. We're gonna walk through the Galleria to get to the park. This is the building that houses most of the shops here. Yeah, so this is it. We are going to use the elevator, no, the escalator to go downstairs so we can get to the park. You know what I feel like eating today? I suddenly feel like eating a burger. I haven't had a burger in a long time. Out these doors and we're outside again. Oops. Oh, okay, the rain is really coming down now. So, let's see. Hopefully my umbrella doesn't break. I'm just gonna show them the park from up there and then I'll come down. You're gonna wait over there? Okay, good idea. I'll be right back. Yeah, not good weather for walking around in the park. So Satoshi's going to be waiting for me while I walk up these stairs so I can kind of show you the park. I really like this park. It's not a big one, but it's very pleasant and it's never that crowded. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have to close my umbrella. It was about to break. So here, this is the park. One area of the park. Nice walkway over here. The Japanese garden is over on this side. Over there, they're doing some kind of work, some maybe improvement work over there. But yeah, this is this is what the park looks like. Nobody's here, obviously, because the weather is insane. Okay, looking back at the Galleria, the Ritz-Carlton. You can actually see Tokyo Tower on this side, but not right now. And there are a lot of restaurants here. There are lovely restaurants here with outdoor terrace seating as well, which is beautiful and relaxing on a nice clear day. Oh boy, okay, I think it's time. I think it's time to head back indoors. With that said, thank you so much for coming along this walk with me. Hope you enjoyed this random walk around Roppongi. Of course, I only showed you like 2 areas of Roppongi Hills and Midtown, but I hope you still found it enjoyable. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.